Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into a story that has the tech world buzzing. Can you believe it? Intel's AI chief, Justin Hotard, is leaving after just 1 year to become the CEO of Nokia. I mean, talk about a plot twist. What's going on here? Was it a clash of visions? A better opportunity? Or is there something deeper we're missing? Stick around, because we're about to break down the butterfly effect of this massive move. This isn't just about one person changing jobs. It's about the future of AI, telecom, and maybe even the global economy. Buckle up. Okay, so here's the deal. Justin Hotard, who was leading Intel's data center and AI group, is now the big boss at Nokia. That's right, the Finnish telecom giant. This comes as a surprise because Hotard was relatively new to Intel, brought in to really ramp up their AI game. Nokia's shares saw a bump after the announcement, suggesting investors are hopeful. But let's be real, this is a huge shakeup. We're talking about a major player leaving a giant like Intel to lead, well, another giant, but in a different industry. The implications are massive, and that's what we're here to unpack. Let's start with Intel. First, there's a leadership vacuum. Hotard's departure creates a hole in the data center and AI group, a crucial area for Intel's future. This could slow down decision-making, potentially delaying product roadmaps. Think about it. AI is the future, and losing your AI leader is like losing your navigator on a long journey. Second, it raises questions about Intel's AI strategy. Hotard was brought in to spearhead those efforts. Now, the company needs to reassure everyone, investors, employees, that they're still fully committed to AI. This is crucial to maintain confidence. And third, let's not forget about employee morale. Losing a high-profile exec like this can be demoralizing, potentially leading to talent leaving Intel. This could be a domino effect, and Intel needs to act fast to prevent it. Now, let's switch gears to Nokia. They're gaining a CEO with a strong background in data centers and AI. This signals a potential strategic shift or increased focus on these areas. Remember, Nokia is a major player in telecom, but they need to evolve to stay competitive. Hotard's expertise could be exactly what they need. However, any new CEO brings change. We might see a period of adjustment and potential disruption as Hotard implements his vision and restructures the organization. Expect some turbulence, folks. But the market's initial reaction suggests investors are optimistic about Hotard's ability to lead Nokia into a new era of growth, especially in AI-related areas. This is a big bet for Nokia, and the stakes are high. Let's zoom out and see how this affects the wider industry. The telecom equipment market is already a battleground. Nokia, Ericsson, Huawei, they're all fighting for dominance. Hotard's focus on AI and data centers at Nokia could lead to more innovative and competitive telecom infrastructure solutions. This could intensify the competition, forcing everyone to up their game. We could see faster development and deployment of advanced 5G and future-generation network technologies, leveraging AI and cloud infrastructure. This means faster internet, smarter cities, and more connected devices. Exciting, right? This move also has implications for the chip manufacturing world. Hotard's departure could indirectly affect Intel's relationships with its data center customers. Nokia, under his leadership, might become a more demanding or strategic customer. Think about it. Nokia could start pushing for more specialized chips, optimized for AI and telecom applications. This could benefit companies like NVIDIA, AMD, and cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and GCP. We might see increased demand for AI-optimized hardware and software, driving innovation and competition in the chip market. But it doesn't stop there. This move could have broader socio-economic impacts. Nokia's increased focus on AI and data centers could lead to job creation in these areas, particularly in Finland, where Nokia is headquartered. We might see a wave of new tech jobs, attracting talent and boosting the local economy. Of course, depending on Hotard's strategic decisions, there could be restructuring within Nokia, potentially leading to job losses in some areas and gains in others. Change is never easy, but it's often necessary for progress. And here's the real kicker. If Nokia is successful in leveraging AI to improve telecom infrastructure, it could accelerate the adoption of 5G and other advanced technologies. This could lead to broader socio-economic benefits, such as improved connectivity, smart city development, and enhanced industrial automation. Imagine a world where everything is connected, optimized, and powered by AI. That's the potential we're talking about here. A successful Nokia under Hotard's leadership could strengthen the European technology sector's competitiveness in the global market, particularly against US and Asian companies. This is about more than just one company. It's about the future of European tech. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Nokia recently lost the AT&T contract. Ouch, that's a major blow. This highlights the intense competition Nokia faces, particularly from Ericsson. It puts pressure on pricing and market share, impacting profitability. This loss also underscores Nokia's reliance on mobile operator investment. They're dependent on a sector with fluctuating capital expenditure, exposing them to macroeconomic and industry-specific downturns. This is a major challenge for Hotard to address. And here's something even more unsettling. There have been rumors about potentially selling or spinning off Nokia's mobile networks business. Even if Hotard denies it, these discussions can create internal unease and affect employee morale. It also raises questions about the company's long-term commitment to this core area. This uncertainty could make it harder to attract and retain top talent. Nokia needs to address these rumors head-on and reassure its employees and investors. Nokia has also made some recent acquisitions, like Infinera and Phoenix Group. Integrating these companies' technologies, cultures, and processes is crucial for realizing the intended benefits. Integration is always a challenge, and it can be a major drain on resources. Hotard needs to ensure that these acquisitions are smoothly integrated into Nokia's existing operations. The Financial Times reported that Nokia's board was reviewing candidates to replace Lundmark after a lengthy battle with a stagnated share price and sales. That's a harsh assessment. Hotard's commitment to pricing discipline could hinder market share growth if competitors are more aggressive. This creates a tension between profitability and market dominance. He'll need to strike a delicate balance to succeed. While Hotard's AI background is seen as a positive, the success of Nokia's AI strategy depends on effective execution. This includes recruiting and retaining talent, developing competitive products, and integrating AI into existing offerings. It's not enough to have a great strategy. You need the right people to execute it. Nokia needs to invest in its AI talent pool to ensure success. Nokia's expansion into data centers requires significant investment and expertise. Competing with established players in this market poses a technical challenge. They're going up against giants like AWS, Azure, and GCP. Nokia needs to find a niche and differentiate itself to succeed in this crowded market. Staying at the forefront of 5G technology and developing future generations of mobile gear requires ongoing R&D investment and technological innovation. The 5G race is far from over, and Nokia needs to keep innovating to stay ahead of the curve. This requires a commitment to R&D and a willingness to take risks. And let's not forget about the ethical considerations. As Nokia expands its data center business and delves deeper into AI, it must address concerns related to data privacy and security. This includes protecting customer data and ensuring responsible use of AI technologies. They also need to ensure fair competition practices and avoid anti-competitive behavior in their dealings with rivals and customers. With Nokia's entry into military communications through the acquisition of Phoenix Group, there are ethical considerations related to the responsible use of this technology and its potential impact on human rights. This is a serious responsibility that Nokia must take seriously. So, what does all of this mean? Justin Hotard's departure from Intel and his move to Nokia is a high-stakes gamble that could reshape the tech landscape. It's a story of leadership, strategy, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. The risks are real, but the potential rewards are enormous. Will Nokia succeed in its AI-driven transformation? Will Intel rebound from this leadership loss? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain. The next few years will be a wild ride for both companies and the broader industry. Ultimately, the success of this move hinges on Hotard's ability to navigate the complex challenges facing Nokia, from market competition to technological innovation and ethical considerations. It's a tall order, but if he can pull it off, Nokia could emerge as a major force in the AI-powered future of telecom. What do you think? Is this a brilliant move or a recipe for disaster? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tech news and analysis. Thanks for watching.